Hey there, this is a demonstration of some of the features of Notochord Homunculus, which is a real-time generative machine learning model for MIDI sequences. This is a demo which will be presented at International Computer Music Conference 2025. Here's how it works. I run the program from the command line and a text mode user interface appears in the terminal. I start playing and the Notochord model eventually joins in. It reacts instantaneously to the change in pitch here. It also reacts immediately when I stop doing what I was doing. Then it goes off the rails a bit. I see what happens if I play some drums. I suggest some new musical material by playing these fast high notes. Then I switch to these sustained low notes and the drums again, but it decides to keep playing those high percussions. Now I start messing with the ensemble of instruments instead of playing on the MIDI controller. I change the instruments I was playing to auto mode, turn off the percussion that Notochord was playing, and then give it the vibraphone also. Here it reacts a lot to the changing ensemble. When I add this follower voice, it changes again. Here's an example with input and a cascade of follow voices. The drum kit has been sitting there as an auto voice, but now it decides to play. Here's a quick example of the soft global steering. When I turn it up, the pitches keep increasing. And if I turn it all the way down, here's the density control. When I turn this down, the texture becomes more and more sparse. If I turn it all the way up, it'll start opening a ton of notes. The rate control, if I turn it down, it should slow down gradually. It may not necessarily decrease the tempo, but rather the rate of MIDI events by turning off parts or changing the rhythm. So those are some of the basic things you can do with Homunculus. If you want to try it in your terminal, create a Python environment, and then simply pip install Notochord and run Notochord Homunculus. You'll then just need to pipe the MIDI output to your favorite DAW or something like FluidSynth. For more information, you can check out the API docs, the project page, and there are some published papers about Notochord and Homunculus.